Summer can be intense, and while most of us stay cool indoors, your air compressor keeps working without a break. Rising temperatures and humidity can silently impact your compressed air systems, causing energy loss, unplanned downtime, and even equipment failure. A clogged cooler restricts airflow, regular cleaning prevents overheating, and keeps your compressor efficient. Summer air holds more moisture. Ensure your drains are set to handle the load, especially in peak humidity. High temperatures degrade oil faster. Using fresh, high-quality oil ensures optimal performance and protects internal components. Clean filters reduce pressure drops. Worn and leaking hoses can lead to inefficiencies or sudden failures. A quick inspection ensures safe, smooth operation, and a well-ventilated room is essential during summer months. Proper cross-ventilation prevents heat buildup. Consider installing an exhaust fan if room temperatures remain high. Dust buildup blocks airflow. Clean fan covers help maintain motor temperature, especially in high ambient conditions. After the initial check, it's important to monitor the compressor during peak or noon hours. The technician stays on site, keeping a close watch as temperatures stabilize, ensuring the system runs smoothly before wrapping up. Smart monitoring with Neuron 4 helps detect early warning signs, reducing downtime, saving energy, and improving productivity. Encourage users to log discharge temperatures and system performance regularly, and always maintain a safety stock of oil and consumables for peace of mind during emergencies. Anil's summer checklist kept the compressor running smoothly, avoiding downtime and reducing unnecessary costs. Whether managing one compressor or many, a little care goes a long way. Connect with an ELGi Air Expert. Summer-proof your compressed air system before the heat takes control.